Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this dress to impress tutorial, we are going full underwater icon with a bold and radiant goldfish inspired look. So if you want to know how to create this goldfish look in DTI, let me show you the steps through this video. So first, what you need to do is just make your skin tone orange like this. And then you're just going to put on the mermaid tail from the code items, this one, and change the color the same with your skin tone. Say this is the orange color that I'm using for this look. This is the hex code. And now you can go to here and grab the apples, this one, and toggle it into mischievous and change the color into orange, all orange including the stem, and grab the gloves in here, also again make it orange, now I'm going to put on this top also in orange like this. And in here I'm going to grab this hoodie, this one, and change the color into orange. And last one, to make it look like the eye, I'm going to grab this mask and change the color into black. So for the hoodie, I'm going to make the materials, change it into glitter, including the shirt. Like this. And now what you need to do is just use the belly flop pose. So just like that. And now your avatar will look like a goldfish like this. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.